After spending time with Rolling Low, it's apparent that this is more than a car club. It's a large extended family. Members helping members, including the kids and their custom bicycles, and the meetings are social gatherings with kids in the pool, food and fun while still discussing upcoming shows and club agenda. When Rolling Low comes to an event, they roll in large with an impressive group of traditional lowriders, trucks, imports, and bikes. Whether it's a large regional show, local cruise-in, or one of the numerous charity events they're involved in, the group is all in, making the most of every minute they spend together. Let's go inside the group and meet the ladies, who not only support others but drive their own rides with pride.
My name's Alina. I'm from Rollin Low Car Club, and
My name is Jackie. I'm from Northport. I'm from Rollin Low.
My name is Virginia, and I am from Immokalee, Florida, and I am a member of Rollin Low Car Club.
My name is Christina Blanton, and I live in Cape Coral, Florida. I am a military brat, so I'm kind of from all over, and I'm with Rollin Low Car Club.
Hi, my name's Caitlin Garcia. I'm from Fort Myers, Florida, and I'm with the Rollin Low Car Club.
Hi, my name is Annabelle Irigoyen. I am with Rollin Low Car Club.
My name is Elena. And my name is Allie. And we're both a part of the Rollin Low Car Club.
My name is Haley. I'm from Florida, and I'm part of the Rollin Low Car Club.
And do you have a nickname?
Yeah.
What is it?
Dudu.
Okay. My name is Kaylin Nazario. I'm from Fort Myers, Florida, and I'm with Rollin Low Car Club.
Okay. Hi, I'm Diana Gonzalez, and I am from Port Charlotte, Florida. My husband and I started Rollin Low Car Club.
These ladies are as diverse as the vehicles they drive. From the youngsters being groomed to be the next lowrider generation, to the cars and trucks that reflect the personalities of each owner. Let's find out what being a part of Rolling Low is all about.
And I own a 78 Monte Carlo. And I've had it about 8 years now.
Me and my husband just recently purchased a pedal car, and the theme of the pedal car is going to be in honor of breast cancer awareness for my grandmother who passed when I was younger.
So I have a 1954 Chevy 210 series.
My truck is my daily driver. I have it lowered. It's my tow pig. I basically tow whoever needs to.
I own a 1966 Chevy Caprice, two-door. It's on airbags, and her name is Payday. And I also own a 2014 Jeep Wrangler, and her name is Melissa Spink.
My bike is based off Day of the Dead. It's all customized.
I heard through the grapevine that you guys might be getting a bicycle and joining the club. Yeah?
Okay, I drive a 1976 GMC Sierra. I owned it for about 3 years already. I do have hydraulics on my car.
and I have a lowrider bicycle and just newly purchased a 1985 Lincoln Continental.
Well, it's something more you're attached to. Before it was just, I'm in love with that car. Now it's like, it's a closer attachment because all of us had something to do with it. We worked on it, our sweat, our work, it was a lot. And it's more meaningful than just a car.
I love the attention and the respect that you get.
I think I have my dream cars. I truly do.
Just being able to show it off and like having fun with family.
My family is my everything. They have always been there for me. So having something to work on and all of my family help me, it's been a blessing.
So when they see me hitting the hydraulics, they stay surprised because they're like, wow, it's a woman that's actually driving a truck with the hydraulics, you know. So I think that's kind of like fun to see other people that, you know, this is something different.
The ladies that have cars, they need to go cruising and do it, and that would make, I think that would bring more women to want to do it and it empowers women, and it shows that, you know, women are out there loving cars, and all the head turns when the guys look or who's driving that car, and it's a girl. I think that's like the best thing.
I guess I'm newer to the car club community, so I feel like I am accepted. I definitely have people that get excited if they see me driving the car that I have. And I've only had like good reactions, but I definitely had people ask me, is that your car? So they never asked my husband if it was his car.
I absolutely love driving my truck down the road and somebody thinking that it's going to be a male behind the driver's seat, but as I drive by, they realize that it's a female, and you get the nod of respect.
Everybody treats us with respect. I feel that we get more respect driving when guys see that we drive and it's our cars. I believe that we get a lot of respect.
For any other lady lowriders, just for them to see and think that they can do it, and to not be afraid to just step out of their comfort zone and have some fun.
Being part of a car club is just fun for us and my family. My husband had a car for a few years, and then I got a car, and you know, I just like being able to cruise with everybody without having to sit in the passenger seat.
It's always been part of family car clubs. My kids now have their own vehicles, and it's just a family deal.
Being part of Rollin Low is important to me because it's family-based and it unites us all together, and it brings our family closer to go to shows that we love.
And what made you get into riding a lowrider bike?
Well, my dad wanted me to join the club because it was like a family thing.
One of the rules that we put together were that we wanted to have men, women, and children. We wanted it to be a family-oriented car club. We wanted it to be family.
Just being able to show it off and like having fun with family.
We really welcome, we look for husbands and wives and children that want to be part of our club. That's kind of what we specialize in, I guess, because the children have more opportunities. They have the lowrider bikes. It can start from when they're younger with the pedal cars and the tricycles, and you see more children involved in low riding.
My husband and I also own the 1999 Lincoln Town Car named Survivor, which is also themed based on breast cancer awareness as well as other cancers, and it represents our family as well, because we've lost a lot of family members due to different type of cancers.
Turned off on me on I-75, but hey, it's part of having an old car.
So when you get older, are you going to want a car of your own?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I might take Dad's.
So with me and my husband owning the Lincoln, it has allowed us to be there for people who are battling cancer, to be able to speak to them about their personal involvement, and it empowers more women to be lady lowriders and to be into the lowrider lifestyle.
I think that needs to be more female events, more promotional for the females in the industry, and just let them know that they're not alone. We're all out here.
This year at the Tampa Lowrider Show, I was presented with Outstanding Female Award. When I was presented with it, they were up there talking about how they had their first Hall of Fame female in Lowrider magazine, and Carlos was talking about how he wanted to kind of piggyback off of that and do something special in his venue. And they decided that they were going to present a Outstanding Female Award. And they were going through everything that was important to them, picking that person. And I was listening word for word and was mesmerized by everything they were saying. And then he looked down into the crowd at our car club and he called my name. I was quite surprised, but very honored. I take low riding seriously and our car club seriously, and it was a great honor to accept that award, so I'm pretty proud of that.
If I hit the lottery and money was no object, I would buy a 4-car garage and put the cars I have in it. But honestly, I want a car that fits 8 people because I have a huge family, so I wouldn't necessarily get another old school car because I feel like we have the cars that we want.
I think it's just more cruising around and letting other other people know that this is not only about lowrider is not only about, you know, men's, but women driving lowrider too, you know, and having your whole family with you, you know. That's not just about just the guys having lowriders, but the whole family.
Lincoln Continental 4-door, beautiful car. That's probably a dream car of mine. And gotta have hydraulics. Gotta keep it on brand with lowrider.
I heard through the grapevine that you guys might be getting a bicycle and joining the club. Yeah? Tell us what your theme is going to be.
Selena.
Selena.
The Racers and Rods Media Network and Racers and Rods TV would like to thank everyone from Rolling Low Car Club for always treating us like part of the family and including us in their events, meetings, and projects. We are proud to be able to present this look into the group and our relationship with the club.